Our screwdriver set includes the 20 most commonly used bits for every task, ensuring you're always prepared. It comes with an extendable shaft that easily reaches deep parts and makes working in tight spaces a breeze. The shaft and bits magnetically snap together, holding parts steady and speeding up your work. Crafted with a comfy TPR and PP handle, it offers a no-slip grip for safer handling. The ratchet design allows for easy switching between tightening and loosening, with a lock position to save you time and effort. And for a little extra, our screwdriver features a sneaky spot to stash your valuables, making it a cool hideaway at home.
Make iron way! Your way!